If you've ever encountered a sump plug which couldn't be removed with a regular spanner or socket, the ToolPRO Sump Plug Removal Set is just what you need. The 17 unique pieces are supplied in a compact storage bin with their layout printed under the lid, so you know precisely what you've got. The popular hex pattern pieces are present in 8, 9, 10, 12, 14 and 17mm sizes. There's a single 10mm triangle bit and a 10mm female bit. There's even square pieces for 7 through to 14mm and imperial 5/16 or 3/8 sizes too. With a chrome vanadium construction, you can be sure these sockets won't round off. Each one is suited to a 3/8 drive ratchet or bar and will be particularly handy with European vehicles or square drive differential plugs. Snap the right size onto your tools and there's hardly a sump plug you can't budge with your ToolPRO Sump Plug Removal Set.